Welcome to Learn with Syed. I'm Syed Mahmood. We are going to look at how to monetize a YouTube channel. We're going to try this out on my second channel, currently called Syed Mahmood 2. I intend to change the name to Life Moves later on. Now it's Syed Mahmood 2. This is the main channel. Alhamdulillah, it has 120 something thousand subscribers, and it's been around for quite a while, few years now, and the total number of views are 27 million now. Yeah, so 27 million views, alhamdulillah. So this channel is already up and running. This is already monetized and everything. We're going to look at the second channel and see how to monetize a YouTube channel. I have uploaded some videos here, as you can see, some short clips from travel and other, and I intend to build on that, and it has gained 1200 subscribers. So that is one of the requirements, actually. So let's look at what the requirements are in order to apply for monetization. YouTube has recently changed it in 2018, quite a significant change. So 2019 would probably be similar. You can see there's 1289 subscribers on Syed Mahmood 2 and over 800,000 views. However, with this new change that came in 2018, and hence I believe this video will still be relevant in 2019, are the changes in terms of not number of views but hours watched. I've set this up at 365 days. You can change that, but because the requirements talk about last 12 months hours watched, so I've set this up for 365 days. As you can see, 4,572 hours watched in the last 12 months. Now let's go to the video manager and see what it looks before monetization, so that I can show you the comparison afterwards. This sign means who it is available to. This world sign means this is available to everyone, public, and next to it there comes a dollar sign right there when it is monetized. All these videos are not monetized now because the channel is not monetized. So let's go to the channel and see where it stands. Now you can see the copyright status and community guidelines are all okay. Monetization is not enabled. Currently this channel is not monetized. It was before, but since the requirement changed, it got demonetized, so we're going to monetize it again. We have to click on this enable sign in channel. So go to channels, status and features, and go to the monetization option and click enable. So this will take you to the page where you will see the requirements written down. So for example, here it says you can apply for monetization at any time. Yes, you can, but they will only look at it when it has reached the minimum requirement of 4,000 hours and in the previous 12 months, and 1,000 subscribers overall. That's not in the 12 months, it's lifetime. So these are the requirements. This channel has already met these requirements recently. All of these requirements have been met, so we can actually apply for monetization now. Now we have already agreed to the terms and conditions, and I have an AdSense account because of my main channel, so I'm not going to go into that, but we're going to go to the monetization preferences. That's where we start. So you click start, and you can see the set monetization preference, what on how you want to monetize. This is what this is about. Monetize all existing and future videos. You click that, it becomes green. Display ads, overlay ads, tick tick tick, sponsored cards, and all these other types of ads. You want all types of ads, so just tick everything and click save. Now we have 3 green ticks, including monetization preference set. That has also been done. Now the channel is under review. Now we're coming to the time when YouTube will look at it, but this says you've reached 4,000 hours watch time in the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Good work. So that's done. So that has been met. Now channel is under review. So it's now being reviewed, as it says here. And YouTube partner program, terms and conditions, community guidelines, you have to follow all of that, blah blah blah. and YouTube will email you the decision when it is done, usually within a week it says. But because they changed the requirement recently, they have a massive backlog, as it says here. So because of the backlog, they are still working on it, and they're saying they're gonna be done by the end of April, as it says here. We are on the 15th of April now, and they're saying end of April, so in 2 weeks. I doubt it. I think it's going to take longer. But it says here over 4,000 now, 4,500 hours watched, and the number of subscribers, the requirement is 1,000. It has got 1,289. So we've met all these requirements, and the review process has started. We just simply have to wait for them to get back to us on that. What else? Let me show you. The features also shows you the copyright status and community guideline status. This channel is all green, 0 copyright strikes, as it says here, and 0 community guideline strikes. So copyright strikes means you don't copy other people's stuff, upload only your own audiovisual material unless you have permission from someone, and the community guidelines are don't post any nudity, violence, all of this other stuff. It has now the option of clicking on enabling is now disappeared. It has now disappeared because we have already done that application, submitted, and it is under review. So we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, so it's over 2 months later. Today is the 23rd of June. A lot has happened now in terms of many other things, but this has not changed. The channel is still under review. Syed Mahmood 2, we're logged into it, and as you can see, the status is still the same, but what has changed is one of the things you can see here, the numbers have changed. They're saying they're still under review, and they expect to get caught up by the end of June now. So as I said, they said initially April, now it's saying end of June. The views have increased, the subscribers have increased, almost doubled since we looked at it 2 months ago, but they're still working on it. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Congratulations, today is the 30th of June. 3 days ago, 27th of June, there was an email from YouTube. I'm just looking at it now. As it says, congratulations, you have been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. So it has been approved now after about 74 days. Syed Mahmood 2 has been approved to be monetized, and it reminds you of the partner program details, blah, 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 all of that. Just a standard, and that's the email. So the email is just letting you know that it has been approved. Now you have to go to the channel and see that Syed Mahmood has been approved. It says congratulations, your channel has been approved for monetization. So that's the confirmation right there. We're gonna now go and look at what it looks like once it is monetized. We'll also check out when and how you get paid, and what to do when a video is not monetized. So please stay until the end and watch the rest of the video to know that. Right about here you'll see the monetization sign now. As I said before, you have the public sign, meaning it's available to everyone. Then you got the monetization sign next to all of these videos. They have all been monetized. But what if some of them are not? Let's check out the limited or no ads option. This will show you the videos that failed to be monetized, and there's usually a reason. In some cases YouTube makes a mistake, and I'll show you how to ask for a review. This video shows a Croydon crane collapse, an accident, so car crash, all of this. Understandably, these are not very suitable for monetization, so that's why it's no or limited ads. But if you think that YouTube made a mistake and your video is actually okay to be monetized, then click here on the request review option for YouTube to look at it. But they won't look at it straight away if certain criteria are not met, and I'll explain it to you what they look at. So click on the request review option, and it brings you here, and then you turn the monetization with ad green. It'll explain to you that you can request a review at any time, but they will look at it only. And if you click here, it shows you that they will look at it if it has 1000 views in the past 7 days. Now your video can have thousands of views and not have 1000 in the last week. So if you don't meet this requirement, YouTube says they're not going to look at it, but from my experience I've seen that in some cases they do, and for less than 1000 views they sometimes agree. So you tick and you go for the review, but I'm going to cancel it now because I don't want this video to be reviewed. I understand that this is not my main channel, so of course I uploaded many short clips of random stuff here. So here it is. We have the monetization, the copyright status is green, all of it is done, and it says monetization is now enabled. So the channel has been now monetized, and this is how you do it in 2018 and probably in 19 as well. But before we go, I want to show you how you see where to see the payments and all the payment details and when you get paid. Now it says 96p because it has just been monetized, and of course it is, as I said, some random videos. So go into the analytics, and you will be able to see the breakdowns and the views and the hours and all of that. This is now set at 365 days, but I would recommend you change it to 30 days because that's how often they pay you every month. The main channel of mine, they pay every month, so you should set it to 30 days and you can see what is happening in the past 30 days. You can see the estimated revenue is 73p. Now you'll of course set it to your currency wherever you're from. In the last 3 days it has earned 73p. Once we upload more videos on this channel it should increase, inshallah. Currently it's 73p. If it gets to $100, you should be paid if it reaches $100. You know what we like to do with our YouTube money?
Apart from charitable causes, we love to travel, meet the friendly locals, experience their rich cultures, and taste their authentic cuisines.
We would like to share with you various anecdotes from our adventures and not so mundane tidbits from our daily life.
Please click on one of the videos on the screen or find the link in the description.
See you in the next video.